Welcome to our channel, EM Upholstery Technology. And we have the car of the day. This is the 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. And we are featuring black wrap, mahogany wings, double stitch for the hex diamonds, and mahogany piping. And you can buy these kits directly in our website, EM Upholstery Technology or leathertech.com. So let's take a look at the toy. Factory clothes, nothing wrong with this kit. It's not even a stain like they used to be. This is in pretty good shape. You just need an enhancement. And guys, we are going to be doing for this client the door panel inserts, because it's going to go from the black gray they normally has from factory to a mahogany with black. So just to match the doors. And again, nothing wrong with this kit. It's just an upgrade to leather from the horrible cloth seats. Like and subscribe. Guys, we're going to go in chapters showing you the removal, the peeling of the covers, and the reinstallation of the new kit, and how beautiful these seats are going to look once we finish with our installation. And again, because I didn't say it in the beginning, let me go back and tell you guys, because you hear this before. I know it looks like crap, but you will see the results once we finish with this installation, and you're going to be delighted. And again, order yours. Don't fall behind. Leathertech.com, EM Upholstery Technology.com.